welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. You may notice I'm in a new location because Elliot banished me to our loft, which isn't horrible. So I'm just setting up my new studio here. There's certainly a lot of light. He's tired of seeing paint everywhere and I don't blame him. So hopefully I can keep this area cleaner, but from the looks of me, probably not. So exciting. Today I have a pink pillow, which I've never used.
Whoa.
Excuse me.
Slow your roll.
We're filming here.
Yeah, I don't care. I just heard my name and I was waiting for a whole lot of things.
I was saying that you made me come up here because you're tired of paint, which I guess.
Are we tired of it?
I guess we are tired of it.
I like when you admit in front of your people that we were tired of it. And we just got back from vacation.
Yes.
And
we're starting a new leaf of cleanliness.
Yeah, we
paint.
want to try and
So.
Can I just have a big kiss before?
Thank you.
Right.
I might need your support actually because I'm doing something new and I have a plan which never works out. As I was saying, I have a color to go and I have them tinted pink and it's called Impatience Pink. And the reason I'm nervous is because I only have a few canisters and I really want to make it work. So my idea, which you know never works out, is to do small blooms and to have a lot of the pink negative space. I'm gonna try to do it like in a line, like I would do a swipe and blow it out that way. We'll see what happens. Also, it's hard to think of good colors that would go with the pink. So I decided to go blues. And a little pink, so hopefully that will work. So my colors today, I mixed Payne's Gray color art with Amsterdam Greenish Blue. My mom told me she likes when I do this. I put them together like that, so that's what I do. That's the dark blue. And then I have Beach House Blue with a little turquoise. Boop, boop. And then I have got some interference blue. So basically every layer is gonna have sparkle because you know we love sparkle. And when I resin it, hopefully it'll be extra sparkly. If I resin it, if it works. I did pink azalea with Matisse Australian red violet, which I really like. And I really like putting a little yellow under gold because I find it holds it. This is Aralamide Yellow Atelier. This is one of my favorite yellows. I find it holds its color and I mixed it with pixie dust. And then finally I did my regular Deco Art Extreme Sheen. I added a few dots of Arteza Gold 2 paint. Okay, so now we got that discussed. What am I gonna do? So, you know my problem always, this is an 18-inch cradled wood board. I like them because I don't really have to prep them or anything. They don't warp. So, I always put too much paint and I never have enough negative space. So, I'm going to try to avoid that. And my line, I'm probably gonna do like 2/3 of the piece. I'm gonna put it off center a little bit. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna start with the dark blue. Let's see. And I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna do like a line of a swipe and we'll see what happens. I don't know, you guys. I really hope this works. So how am I doing? Okay, I'm going to, yeah, why don't I just do that, right? And I don't want it too dark, but I think it will be nice to have that contrast. Now, the next blue I will do is that with the turquoise. Actually, before I do that, I have some, this other blue, I don't even remember what it was, but it's from yesterday. It's a Color Art pigment. I'm just gonna do that because I'm gonna lay the turquoise on top, because you know I liked the opaque on top of a few to get the peacock cells going. All right. So, what have we got next? Oh, and then why don't I do the interference blue? What it's just gonna do is kind of make it more of a 3D look when you resin it. Oh, why don't I do this pink? I also don't want too much pink, so, oh, my knife is stuck, okay. Let's mix that up. So even if I do, you know what? I'm just gonna put the pink on like the top half because I'm crazy like that. Okay. I also have some leftover. This is one of my favorite color pigments, Arctic. What is it? Arctic blue. I don't remember what it is. Arctic opal. And then I will do a little bit of yellow because I don't want it insane. And why don't I do the yellow at the bottom? And then I'll do the gold. And then, okay. Oh, I also have two colors of cell activator. I have white and Payne's Gray. If you want to know what it is, you have to join the Shelly Art class. 15% off in my description. I really love the class. And really, they've become like my family. They're great people. Okay. Now, we have that down. So what I think I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to lay the white cell activator down first and then the black, and then we will see what happens. So, and I just want a little bit. I really hope this works. Okay, here's the white, and then we'll go in with the gray. And then we will blow her out and see what happens. So the way you know your cell activator is working is it gets pretty fuzzy when you lay it down. That's good. It's a good indicator. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Oops. Okay. Not horrible. It's kind of cool. We've got some nice peacocks going on down the middle. Let's see. This is the way I'm looking at it. I'll bring it closer to you. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna tilt it a little bit to get it to where I wanna be. Oh, there's a little bloop there. And let's see. Oh, another bloop. Gotta get rid of those bloops. Okay, so maybe I'll just kind of place it. I don't want to mess it up too much. You know what? We're just gonna spin it. Because I hate warped cells, as you know. Okay. Okay. I kind of like her. I'm gonna do one last little spin. All right. Yep. Sold. Done. Love it. Colors not so bad. I'm gonna tilt you down so I don't mess her up. I'll do a close-up anyways, actually, but what do you think? I think Impatience Pink is my new jam. Let me know what you think. Thanks for joining. Bye.